Hello, folks. Welcome to another episode of Code Swamis. In this episode, we'll learn how to speed up your computer under 5 seconds. So, let's go. How do we do that? So, there are two ways to achieve this. One is by going to the Start Manager and clicking Disk Cleanup app. So, over here, you can see the process running and you can free up some space on your local drive. So, this is one way, and another cool way is by writing this short PowerShell command and you can execute it. It does the same thing, and boom, your disk has been cleaned up. And yep, this is a way of achieving cleaning your system under 5 seconds, and it's recommended you do this. You hit this command once in a week to clear up some space in your local drives. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this short video. Do like, share, and subscribe Code Swamis for more interesting and cool videos around PowerShell and automation.